So to keep on making new videos, kindly please subscribe. That would help me a lot. If you haven't done so, please do. And if you have, thank you so much for watching. And this is how I added my new trunk lip on my Evo 8. Please enjoy. So these are the things that I use to remove my Evo emblem. I use this tool to pry from the top of the emblem, and my glue gun just to remove all the residue, to soften up the glue, and my heat gun, just a little bit of heat to soften the hardened glue, and a towel, of course, you need it. And that's about it. Simple, basic things that you need to remove the emblem to clean it up. Let's get going. And here is the Mitsubishi emblem that I have removed. It was quite easy. It only took a few minutes, but to clean it up, it took quite a while. From the back, the double-sided tape I have already removed. It has residue from the emblem and from the trunk, but it was a breeze. And let's enjoy my new trunk lip. It was quite easy to put it on. Just double-sided tape right over here, and you know, it's the fitment is pretty decent. This is a Rexpeed brand. There's a screw on the inside. I don't want a bunch of hole here, but I just double-sided tape it. That way, one day if I don't like it, I can actually remove it. The fitment is okay. There's a little gap on the bottom that you cannot see. One day I'm just gonna probably remove the bigger spoiler, and I need to buy those round Apex silver tape. But that's it for now. I quite like it. It looks great, and I'm quite happy with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching once again. God bless. Bye for now.